that your operation, your real estate matters to you, and that's important. You can always be a real estate agent, but you have to face the challenges every day. You have to upgrade your skills. It's like, as we always said, is sword sharpens sword, and that's the challenges we are facing every single day. If you stay in your comfortable zone, nothing's going to happen. And there is a famous saying that they said, a skillful, experienced sailor doesn't sit in one place on a calm water expecting miracles or good things happen. No, you have to sell out. You have to face the challenges. Actually, there is a book that I was reading some time ago. I strongly recommend you to read it. It calls The Greatest Salesman in the World. It's written by Og Mandino. It's an amazing book. Whenever you're down in your real estate, please go back to that book and read it. It's amazing. That book saves my life a lot. Long time ago, I started some 18, 19 years ago. I was door knocking originally, and it is not an easy task to door knock mostly. Exactly. Thank you. Thank you for that. It's an amazing book. So that book really saved my life. People were slamming the door at me, saying different things. I was alone, no encouragement, so I had to come back to my car. I was listening to the audio version of it. I think you have it on YouTube as well. And I was listening to that tape, that audio from the book really encouraged me to continue for years of door knocking and bringing good results. Real estate is not easy. If it was easy, we would have more than 500,000 real estate agents flipping homes all the time. So sometimes agents telling me it's a tough business. I say, thanks God it's tough business. Otherwise, you would not have anything. So it costs you something to stay in business and make money. And I come across many agents that it's a tough business. And I remember the story that happened a while ago. Back, I was working in Mississauga. I was working in a building, and I usually get to work very early morning. So I came to the building at around 7 o'clock. It was Sherwood Town, Mississauga, and I realized that I forgot my pass. My fob wasn't with me. So I said at 7 o'clock, I'm here to start working, and I cannot get into the building. And at the same time, there was a very good dentist working in that same building. Like, I think she was there for 20 years, a good dentist. And at the same time I was there at 7 o'clock, I noticed two of her hygiene also at the door, and they also forgot the fob. So I told them, do you have the pass, the card, the fob? They said, no, we forgot it, but let us call the dentist. And I told myself, come on, you're gonna call the dentist. She's possibly somewhere in Oakville or Burlington sleeping now. By the time she comes out of her bed, get ready, drive 20 minutes, half an hour to Mississauga, to this location. Come on, stay here. Someone's going to pass by and open the door for us. Long story short, 5 minutes after, she came down from upstairs to open the door for all of us. That dentist, 20 years in business, went through a lot of education, 7-8 years of education. She was there at 7 o'clock morning, working hard, making money, and we are complaining? Come on. We hardly spend a year or two getting this kind of education. The only thing we have to do is to pay the price, put the work in there, and expect a good result comes out.